Hi, this is Rajesh. Today I am going to derive total surface area of a cube and lateral surface area of a cube. Already in one video I explained how to get the formulas of total and lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now we are going to derive the formulas of total surface area of a cube and lateral surface area of a cube. Before we are going to derive those formulas, we have to know what is a cube. Cube is nothing but a three-dimensional object. So a cuboid in which length, breadth and height are same, that is only cube. Each and every face of the cube is in the shape of square. See, length, breadth and height are same. When we consider edge of a cube is a units, then its total surface area will be 6a square and the lateral surface area of a cube will be 4a square. Now I am going to explain. See, total surface area of a cube and also lateral surface area of a cube. So first of all, whenever we are going to find total surface area of a cube, we need to revise. We have to recall total surface area of a cuboid. That is, first we need to take TSA of cuboid. TSA of cuboid. TSA means total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 of LB plus BH plus HA. I told you a cuboid in which length, breadth and height are same, that is only cube. So here let length is equal to breadth is equal to height is equal to A units. A units. At that time, given cuboid will be a cube. See, this is the figure of cube. See here, length, breadth and height are same only. Now, TSA of cube is equal to so 2 into, here I have considered length, breadth and height is equal to A units. So A into A plus A into A plus A into A. Length, breadth and height are same only. So 2 of A into A square plus A into A square plus A into A square. Now 2 of A square plus A square plus A square, 3A square. See here, total surface area, 2 3s are 6A square. When the edge of a cube is A units, at that time total surface area of a cube is 6A square. 6A square. Next, lateral surface area of a cube we will see. So while we are going to find lateral surface area of a cube also, we have to recall once lateral surface area of a cuboid, that is 2h of L plus B. Now LSA of a cuboid is equal to 2h of L plus B. 2h of L plus B. Let L is equal to B is equal to H is equal to A, then that figure will become a cube. Now LSA of a cube is equal to 2 into H. H means here A only, because length, breadth and height are same, that is a cube. A cuboid in which length, breadth and height are same, that is called a cube. So 2 into A means 2A L plus B. Here L, length, breadth are A only. So A plus A. Now we will get 2A into 2A. 2A into 2A, 4A square. 4A square. Therefore, we can write from the total surface area of a cube and lateral surface area of a cube as when the edge is A units. See here we will get TSA TSA of a cube, TSA of a cube is equal to 6a square. Next, LSA of a cube is equal to 4a square. And also one thing you must remember, if you are going to find lateral surface area of a cube, perimeter of the base of a cube into height. So when you consider edge of a cube is a units, what is the base of the shape of a cube? We will get square. What is the formula to find perimeter of a square? 4a. So height is a only. 4a into a square we will get. Therefore here we can say LSA of a cube is equal to perimeter of the base, perimeter of the base into height, like that also we can say. So what is the perimeter of the base? Base is in the shape of square. So what is the perimeter? 4a, 4 into s, but side is here a, 4a into a, 4a square. So this is also the important condition. Lateral surface area of a cube is equal to perimeter of the base into height. Okay, thank you.